Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today I'm going to be cooking rice to freeze. So I'm just going to take you on that journey. It's just normal white rice. I'm using local rice today. Um and I need to wash. I wash my rice till it's super clear. This is raw rice, not yet parboiled. So you wash your rice, make sure your water is very clear. Make sure that you're careful with the bottom part as well, because we've all been doing buy Niger, but you also need to know that not every rice is rice you get, but this rice is very good. No issues, it's stone free, it doesn't even have sand. Like, I wash just because I'm overdue. So you wash and make sure that your water is very clear, and I have water boiling already for the parboiling. So I'm going to do this on super low heat, and also because I just want the rice to basically steam, because I'm still going to microwave the rice in a few days time. And I just want to be done with it and get it out of the way. So what you want to do is pour your washed raw rice into the water just to parboil it. Now, parboiling rice is necessary. It's just to remove the starch. Most people do not parboil rice, especially when they are doing bulk cooking or party jollof rice or smoke Niger jollof rice. They don't bother parboiling. But I'm obsessed with parboiling rice for every single meal that I want to do. It doesn't matter what it is I'm cooking. I usually like to parboil my rice. So what I just did here is just to pour the rice into water, and then I'm going to let it cook, and that's just it. You can add a pinch of salt. I usually like to add onions when I'm almost done. But then, because you are keeping your rice, basically you're going to freeze it, you want to be careful. And if you're not sure when you want to use it, please don't put onions. Salt is fine, and just a pinch. So all I did was let the rice steam, and then I removed it and I washed it again. I'm so sorry. I actually thought that I filmed that process, but I usually wash my rice after parboiling. So when I was done, I just said to pack it, and then I washed it, put it back on the fire with very little water, and then I let that steam. So that's basically it. So I'm just going to pack this into bowls for the fridge and remove to microwave as needed. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button. I'm always here to answer your questions. God bless you. Mwah.